Yung nakikita nyong parang puti ay nana sa matres na galing sa pusa. Hi guys, Doc Ara here, and we're going to talk about pyometra. Ano nga ba ang pyometra? Pyometra is yung infection ng uterus. And yung case na to from our clinic, 5 Post Veterinary Clinic, is actually from a cat. Bakit to nangyayari? Bacterial infection. And madalas due to hormonal changes, lalo na kapag nag-heat cycle sila. It is actually common sa mga middle-aged cats or dogs, pero pwede rin itong mangyari as early as 1 year old. So ano yung signs na pwedeng may pyometra? Yung may discharge or parang may nana sa puwerta, pwede magkaroon ng fever, lethargy, paglambot, vomiting, diarrhea. Those are just some signs. Again, the best prevention, kapon or spay. Kung wala kayong balak na ipa-breed or mag-anak man ang inyong mga alagang aso at pusa, it's a good option to have them spayed or ipakapon sila. This actually prevents pyometra, unwanted pregnancies, and reduces yung risk rin ng mga cancers or mammary tumors. So technically, makakatulong to sa overall health ng inyong mga alaga. If you have other concerns, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.